Hello and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's mealtime mentors, and today we're bringing the world to your table with a unique spin on egg rolls.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making egg roll in a bowl.
Yes, so we just get started, get going. All right, so we have a hot skillet over here that we've already heated up. So I'm going to add in the white and light green parts of a green onion. And we're just gonna stir fry these in our pan until they just get nice and soft.
All right, and while you're working on that, I'm going to go ahead and get the sauce together for this egg roll in a bowl. So we just have a little bit of low sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and then the secret ingredient, Chinese 5-spice powder. So it is a mix of cinnamon, anise, ginger, clove, and nutmeg. And it has a lot of really great flavors, and you can find it right in our spice aisle.
Yes, I had never seen or heard of this spice before, but yeah, it's actually a pretty mainstream spice, and you can find it pretty easily.
Yeah, it smells so good.
Yes. All right, so these are looking nice and soft. So next I'm going to add in, we've got garlic, minced garlic, and then ginger.
And this really is all those like classic egg roll flavors, just outside of the deep fried wrapper. So instead of being wrapped up and fried, we're just serving it in a bowl.
Yes, with lots of veggies.
Yeah.
Lots of veggies in this dish. So we're just gonna kind of saute this here just to kind of let some of those good flavors come out. And then I'm going to add in our protein that we're adding. We're using ground turkey today, but you could definitely use ground beef. You could use ground chicken. We just like to use ground turkey as a different option.
And it's pretty mild in flavor too, so it doesn't overpower the dish.
Absolutely. So we're just gonna brown this in our pan, and then we'll be ready to add in our other ingredients. All right, our turkey is nice and browned. It smells so good. That garlic and ginger smell amazing. So next we're going to add in our broccoli coleslaw. So you can find this man's broccoli coleslaw just by the other bag salads in the produce department. But we've used it in so many different recipes.
Yeah, it's so easy because you don't have to shred all of this stuff yourself. And it's a really great and simple way to get a lot of veggies into your dish. So
yes, and we're adding in 2 bags. It looks like a lot, but we are gonna have it cooked down. Then we're gonna add in our sauce as well.
You can really smell that sesame oil.
Yes, you can. All right, so we're just gonna let this cook. I'm just gonna kind of mix it up. We just need this broccoli slaw to get nice and tender, pretty much to your liking. All right, this looks really good. The broccoli slaw is really cooked down, as you can see, and it's all completely coated with that sauce. So I'm gonna turn the heat off now. We're gonna add in our last ingredient. We just got some green onions, so just the more green parts of the green onion. Just gonna mix that in, and then we're ready to serve it up.
All right, some bowls and tongs.
Thank you. This is such an easy, quick and easy like weeknight meal.
Definitely, lots of flavor with just a few ingredients.
Yes, there you go.
And we're going to be finishing the dish off with some optional garnishes. We have a little bit of cilantro here, and then sriracha, if you like a little bit of spice.
Perfect.
And sesame seeds, just for that extra flavor and crunch.
Excellent. I'll do a little sriracha too, just for a little extra heat. Right, ready to dig in?
Yeah.
I love how crisp but tender the broccoli slaw is.
Yeah, it's super, super good.
Well, we hope you give this egg roll in a bowl a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.